is very clear. We cannot draw funds from the government unless we clear all pending lists. So it's just a matter of time. Speaker, I stand here to welcome you, not because I'm the sitting member of parliament, but because I'm a neighbor. I just live a stone throw away from here. I want to thank you for coming yet again, Kisii, together with our visitors, and to assure you that this journey that we've started shall go very far. I want to welcome you to another speaker earlier. Only us. What the heck are we getting back here? What is it? Nada to be done. I don't want to talk about it. But I don't want to speak to you. Mr. Speaker, we've taken your ruling that we must replace the roofing sheets. And we have agreed that in March or April, you come and lead a major fundraiser so that we can raise funds to replace the roof. I want to say to and I want to go to Nyaribari, a country ya Catholic. Never answer the tomorrow. Over and around the Masaba. Muscona ninja, and never saw you go around it. But I got the Nigeria, he has an idea. What's the water?
This speaking, we are calling our seniors and grandpas. They are my let's get together, let's talk, let's find where the differences are so that we can move our region forward. And we can do it. There is a reason why we